Hey team, so to work out our placement of our joists and then our 410 measurement from inside 140 joist to inside 140 joist, to get this placement, what we do is get our boards in position. That's 140, 140, 140. The second board in this install is our lifting board. And then for the placement of our 90 by 45 joist, will be in line with the back side of our fixed board here. So we can see that our board is in position in relation to our eco hinge. That will give us our placement for our 45 by 45 and our 90 by 45. From our back joist, this is a 45, this is a 90, this is a 140. We simply measure 410 from inside 140 to inside 140. That will give us our placement for our poolside joist setup. Any questions, just give the team a call.
Fancy got a concreting voice? So with that jig, just so I know,